Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, CB and Ham Radio Depot. Today we have acquired a Icom 756 Pro II. Sadly enough, this radio came from a silent key, and it appears that I know he was a big Collins guy, and I'm not sure how much he ever used it. The thing is in real nice condition cosmetically. As you can see, it very, very nice. Anyway, we're all aware of how good the 756 series of Icom were. This is a Pro II, so it has the basic screen here. It doesn't have the multicolor screen like the Pro III does. And the difference between a Pro II and a Pro III, there is some DSP differences and some different things. But anyway, let's get to it. Kind of go over some of the controls on this. Simple layout. The menu, there is some menu items, but it is not near as intense as some radios. And we'll get to that here in just a minute. So anyways, as you can see here on the front, you get your power switch and your transmit switch. Tuner here, just hold the tuner button and she tunes. It seems to work really nice. You got your monitor here if you want to hear your audio. You got your noise blanker here, noise reduction, DSP, and it is adjustable here on the outer ring of the control. To the left of that is your AF, your volume. Under that is your RF gain and squelch. Okay, here on the bottom you have some passive controls. Your CW keyer speed, your break-in delay, CW, speech processor compression right here, your RF power, and your mic gain. Real simple controls, not a problem at all to deal with. Here to the left of the screen, we have your antenna switch. There is two antenna connectors. You just push the buttons and it will switch the antennas. You can change your meter with this one. You can go from SWR to ALC, compression, power out. The third button down is your preamp, and it does have two. Hit CW. Preamp 2, and then you can turn the preamp off. Attenuation, right here you got fast, slow, mid-range, or I'm sorry, you've got 6 dB, 12 dB, and 18 dB, and turn the attenuation off. AGC, slow, fast, mid. You can turn your Vox on here, and you can turn your compression on here. Okay, now as far as the screen goes, as you can see, we got both VFOs displayed. Here at the top, it will tell you what bandwidth you're operating, how much shift you got in the filter. It shows the shape of your filter. 3 for transmit, upper sideband, filter 1. Same thing down here on the bottom. When you switch, you go to the change button over here, you can swap them if they're in memory. It swaps the memories back and forth between the VFOs. Along the bottom here, you can adjust the span, however much you want to have the display show. So you can do 5K, 10K, 20K, 25, all the way up. So you can adjust your width of your spectrum scope, how much you're receiving. Here you can attenuate the scope. Marker, that's puts it wherever you want it. You can set it to hold, so it will peak hold. So if you want to peak hold it, you can run your VFO up to that particular one, to the strongest one. Here where it says set, you can turn your max hold on and off, and your scope during transmit, so it will show your transmit audio. Okay, along the bottom here we have sideband, which this is mode sideband, CW ready, AM, FM. Here you can adjust your filter, hold it down, and the adjustments, as you can see, it's got 3K, 2.4, and 1.8. That is in sideband mode. If you change to CW mode, you got 1.2, 500, and 250. On this exit set right here, if you hit your set, hold it down, here is what menus you have. You can change, right here is the main menu. You can adjust level for your sideband tone, your bass, your treble, side tone level, beep level limit, all those sort of things. Here, DSP, that does show your filter shapes. So you can change your shape to a softer type filter shape, and you can do the same thing on CW. Kind of a neat feature. Set your time here. You can see the times up here in the right hand corner of the screen. Under the others, there's various controls, calibration, confirmation beep, so on and so forth. You can set your split, your FM split, and several different adjustments here. Okay, hit exit, back to scope. Here on the right, this will run splits, so you can split frequency, of course. There's 2 VFOs. It also has dual watch, so you can monitor both frequencies if you wish. Like I said a while ago, changes your VFOs and your memories. They swaps them back and forth. Store VFO memory here, and then you have your main or your sub, which it will switch them back and forth. Memory pad right, this one right here. So if you have a memory you want to put in the memory pad, you just hit that to store it, and this one here recalls it. So pretty simple. Of course, we have direct entry, keypad. You can change bands up and down here with these 2 buttons. Memory right, memory clear, tuning speed. So if you wish to change it, it will, as you can see on the screen, it will move in different spots to whichever speed you wish to tune. This radio does have the voice synthesizer in it, which is kind of nice. You can it will announce frequency, it will announce mode, and all that sort of things. Here we have the lock. If you wish to lock, down here at the bottom, as you can see, the light comes on. If you hold it, it will announce, if you got to hold it for 2 seconds, I believe, and it will announce the frequency. Here on the right, we got the twin passband tuning, which Icom kind of patented that and made it famous. You can clear it. You can also turn on your notch right here, and when you do, the light comes on. You adjust your notch right here with this one. And turn that on. Your CW pitch is right here. And here on the bottom, we have the RIT. So you can change transmit frequency, and you can change your receive frequency, and then of course clear. This radio also comes with a SM-5 Icom microphone, which is pretty nice. It seems to work real well with this radio. All right, let's flip it around. We'll show you the controls on the back. Okay, here at the back, we have a back view of the radio. Pretty simple, not overly complicated. Up here we got the ground. Receive antenna is this one. It does have receive antenna jack. This is for a transverter right here. This is for an external tuner, like an AH4 Icom. Of course, your power plug right here. These two are accessory sockets. You can employ these for keying an amplifier, use it with a TNC, any accessory that you wish to use, you can access through these two accessory ports. You got your CW key 1/4 inch jack here. We have external speaker here. This is for remote, so if you have a remote control unit, you can plug it in here. These two over here on the right, one of them is 13-volt output here, and the other one is a send control for, you can also key a amplifier with this one here. So basically that's the controls on this unit. Really nice unit. I've been using it for the last day or two, and I really like it. So anyway, thanks for watching our video. Come see us at CB & Ham Radio Depot. This radio, along with several others, are added, and there will be more to come. Thank you.